Hey, Mechanicsville Nation, we're here at HPX Expo again. We've met up with Tamsen B. Roth.
Hi.
And she is part of the display here, and she is with Speedology.
Hi, Speedology Lifestyle Solutions. I am out of Winston-Salem, North Carolina. We are here with a display of exotic cars with one of our partners, Tour Deluxe Rally. And we actually are excited to be here. It's the inaugural High Performance Expo. We're in Charlotte. We're in Race City. Right?
Absolutely.
Better place to be.
So specifically, Speedology is your brand.
Yes.
What is Speedology about?
So Speedology is a woman-created, woman-owned brand. We do car shows that serve as fundraisers. We do drag racing. We're getting into half-mile events, and we also do rallies. So anything we do, we give back to the community. We have amazing partners. We have amazing venues. We work with schools. We work with churches. We work with airports. And we're just excited about the opportunity, and we're just looking to make some new friends and see some old friends here at HPX.
That is awesome. And you said we are in front of a stable of performance cars here. You want to run down the stable here for us?
Yeah, so
I'm going to give this to you and let you talk.
Absolutely. So we have a 2018 supercharged Huracan Performante. We have a 22 factory black matte RSQ8, highly tuned. It's the fast grocery getter. We have a 2017 Huracan Lamborghini with the Vorsteiner carbon kit. The rear is the sexiest with the 3-piece Rohana wheels. So everyone likes to see Taillight Tuesday. So this will be rear end review. Is that not gorgeous? So the cool thing about all of these cars, I have to tell you, is these are my friends, these are my partners, these are my sponsors, and these are part of my venues. So Jason and Holly Overcash own this Huracan. They own the Grove Cartel Brewing Company out of China Grove. We have something called Hometown Horsepower. It's a free cruise-in. It's in China Grove. We have 5 events this year. We shut down Main Street. Everyone comes in for free. They can grab a beer, they can stroll down Main Street, they can go to a boutique, they can go to the Bath and Body Works down the street, they can get women's clothing, men's clothing, whatever. So with that being said, not only are these automotive enthusiasts, these are business owners within the community because again, Speedology Lifestyle Solutions, everything we do, we're gonna give back.
Yes.
Right? We love Skills USA, STEM, STEAM, CTE, again, CPCC, Universal Tech, Hendrick. I've got amazing partners, amazing sponsors. Again, my venues are unique. And being a female in automotive and motorsports, I mean, again, you guys see, we're just here for the right reasons. And I'm actually going to join the board of advisors here for HPX. So 2026, this time next year, you just wait and see what Speedology brings along with any of our other partners.
That's awesome news. That's awesome news, Tamsen. We thank you for taking time to talk to us today.
Sure.
And this amazing stable of vehicles here that you've brought to display for us.
Oh, absolutely.
Give us your social media.
So on Facebook, it's Speedology Lifestyle Solutions, and on Instagram, it's Speedology LLC. Give us a like, give us a follow, stay in tune with our upcoming events. And we've got the Max and Half Mile coming up September 6th and 7th. I think that's going to be the big one this year. But Hometown Horsepower, we've got the Sky High Motoring Expo. We've got the Fall Bash auto event at the River Oaks Community Church here in Clemens, right beside West Forsyth.
Okay.
We literally, this March, we had a show there. It's called the Spring Fling. We literally had the car show overflow into the West Forsyth High School parking lot.
Oh, that's awesome.
We had some of the coolest cars in that parking lot we didn't even get to see for our judges. And again, everything we do about the community, about giving back, custom awards, family, friends, everyone's welcome. Imports, exotics, hot rods, jacked up Jeeps. We love everybody. And if you're into the automotive culture for the right reasons, we want you to be a part of us.
That's awesome. That's awesome, Tamsen. And always, we'll provide a link in the description of the video below for Tamsen and Speedology. Always reach out to us at themechanicsville.com. That's the portal for all things Mechanicsville. See ya.